الله أخرجكم من بطون أمهاتكم لا تعلمون شيئا وجعل لكم السمع والأبصار والأفئدة. When Allah took you out of the wombs of your mothers, you didn't know anything, but He gave you the sight, He gave you the hearing, He gave you the heart. He expects you to learn things. What language do you know? You know the language of those who you first heard speaking as you were born and you grew up. That's the language. They call it a mother tongue. What's your mother tongue? They've never called it a father tongue. Do you know why? Well, I don't either. It's a mother tongue, subhanallah. Your mum spoke that, I guess. Or it's the first language you learnt. The one you know the best is called your mother tongue. And you learnt the words, and as you grew older, you spoke to others, and you learnt an accent, and you learned the way to speak. And if you went to a certain school, people distinguished you from those who went to another school. What is all this? It goes to show you, oh man, you are tuned to the way those around you wanted you to be tuned. And at times, you will be tied down by the shackles of that tuning unless you break loose. That's what life is all about. How do I break loose? Question, ask, see, learn, look at the alternatives on earth, check what they are, ask yourself, don't just fall for anything you hear. That is what we are taught. Allah says, ask those who don't know. Ask those who know if you don't know. Look around, compare, see, get guidance from revelation. Billions of people have told you that there was a man known as Adam and a woman known as Eve. The Christians will confirm that, all the denominations. The Muslims will confirm it, all the denominations. The Jews will confirm it, all the denominations, and many others will also confirm it. So I believe there was a man known as Adam. He was the first of my species. Why? Because trillions, quadrillions, nonillions, decillions of people, mashallah, I know my numbers, can you see? I learnt them. They have confirmed this. It can't be just a joke. It can't be that it's a lie. They said we started off from one and so on. And so I believe it. But there will be others who might not. Well, it's up to them. If their findings found something that I find totally wrong, that's up to you. But I can talk to you. You can talk to me. I can let you know why I say what I say. Let's talk about it. But bear in mind, man will never know every single thing, and he doesn't. I give you one quick example. If I told you, I asked you moments ago, do you know the number of grains of sand in the desert? And you said no. Do you know of any apparatus that can count the number of grains of sand in the desert? And the answer is no, no way. Not in my brain and not in the foreseeable future is that going to happen. But if I were to tell you how many planets are there in space, the true answer is perhaps as many as the grains of sand in the desert. You might say, no, we can count them. No, we cannot. We haven't. There is a James Webb telescope. Google about it, check it. It's live now. You can download the app and check what's going on. Every day it's discovering thousands, if not millions of planets that man did not know about. I'm talking of now. And it's discovering planets huger than anything we ever thought